Hello and welcome to EC100's Module 10 Assignment Helper, the CDA resource number 7. Now you will begin your work to create your CDA professional portfolio. You will be completing assignments such as this in your core early childhood education courses to prepare for the CDA application after you complete the Health, Safety, and Nutrition course. Some things to note. Organization is key. Keep your format similar for all your resource assignments, including your name, title of the resource, and a brief description. Remember, you cannot cut and paste information from the internet. These resource assignments are designed to be completed by you in your own words. So let's look at resource number 7. Resource number 7 is going to have multiple parts to the one assignment. Please read carefully. Overall, you are creating a family resources guide that you might choose to share with families you serve. The guide should include all of the helpful information you think they might need. At a minimum, you must include the following required items. Resource 7.1, the name and contact information of a local agency that provides family counseling. And 7.2, the name and contact information of a translation service for families whose home language is other than English, as well as a service that provides American Sign Language translation. Item 7.3 is the name and contact information of brief descriptions of at least 2 agencies in the community that provide resources and services for children with disabilities. And finally, Part 4. A list of 3 or more websites and a brief description of each that provide information to help families understand how young children develop and learn. This one is based upon which focus area you have chosen, which setting. Are you in a center-based preschool, a center-based infant and toddler, or a family child care? Each one of those has a separate requirement underneath 7.4. What do you submit? You're going to submit the assignment in a Word document with all required information, and you're going to submit it to the Dropbox, just as you usually would. What do you add to your binder? When the assignment is returned to you, make any suggested changes and then add it immediately to your binder. You'll probably also want to save it in a safe place on your computer. What if you have questions? If you are not planning to apply for your CDA for any reason, remember your assignments are still your responsibility and you are graded accordingly. Refer to the course CDA orientation webinar, and if you have any questions, contact your instructor. Let's go over the resource number 7 one more time. The resource number 7 is a several-part assignment. It's asking you to give information on each one of the individual points underneath number 7. So that means you will need to provide a document in Word that is going to list each one of these required items separately. 7.1, you'll want to give the information it is asking for. 7.2, the information it is asking for. 7.3, the information it is asking for. And with 7.4, the same. Be specific and make sure if you have any questions, you ask your instructor as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great week.